Good morning. Today's story is Yeti and the Bird. And this is by Nadia Shireen. So there's the Yeti and there's the bird. Deep in the forest, there lived a Yeti. As you can see, he's really big. He was the biggest, hairiest, scariest beast anyone had ever seen. So everyone left him alone. But Yeti was lonely. Then one day, thunk, something landed on his head. It was a bird. Squawk, 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 squawk. Roar! And this little bird didn't seem scared of Yeti at all. Squawk-a, squawk-a, squawk. Not one bit. Instead, the bird told Yeti all about her journey. She seemed to think she had landed on a hot tropical island for the winter. Guru, said Yeti. And sure enough, when the bird looked for sunshine and palm trees, there weren't any. She was lost. The bird stopped bouncing and chirping. Pat, pat, pat. Yeti wasn't sure what to do with the sad little thing. After a while, he decided to pick up the bird and take her home. The next day, the forest woke to a peculiar sight. Yeti and the bird were playing. Graw! And Yeti was laughing with a hearty roar nobody had heard before. Every evening, the friends sang sweet, sad songs together, which soothed the forest to sleep. Yeti wished the bird could stay forever, but it was getting colder, and he knew that soon his small friend would need to fly away. So Yeti carefully examined the bird's map and found out where she needed to go. Then he made sure she was packed and ready for the long journey ahead. Yeti sighed. Without the bird, he was even lonelier than before. Until some new friends came out to play. Deep in the forest, there lives a Yeti with all his new friends. And every now and then, an old friend pops by to say hello. And that's the end. So such a great story, and I think, it has a really important lesson that's not clearly stated. So go ahead and comment below what you think the lesson of this story is. And I'll see you tomorrow.